Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix your iPhone 16 having any Bluetooth connectivity issue. So let's get started. Now this could be on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, 16 Plus. Doesn't matter. If you recently set it up, you might be experiencing Bluetooth connectivity issue. And in order to fix this, you're going to follow this simple tip. So all you're going to do is go into your setting on your iPhone, and then go to general and then scroll all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone. You're going to tap on that, click on reset, and the reset that you need to do is the network reset. So when you do a network reset, basically it resets the settings, things that you connected to, any Bluetooth devices in the past, and any Wi-Fi as well. You have to reconnect to them, but it's important to do this network reset in order to reset the network on your phone. Again, this will not delete any of your data. So if I tap on it, you're going to see the Apple logo up here. It's going to flash once or twice, and then we're going to go back to the main screen, and then you're going to try to reconnect to the Bluetooth devices that you had previous issues with. It's a quick fix. Again, this happens with the new iPhone if you recently upgraded to it and moved all of your data over. For some reason there's a bug or a glitch. Again, not exactly sure why, but this is going to be the quick and the fastest way to fix it until Apple releases a new software update to fix this. So you can see here the Apple logo reappears here for me, and then you're just going to wait here until you get to the main screen, and then once you're again, go ahead and reconnect to again your Wi-Fi, and your Bluetooth devices will show up and you'll be able to have fixed. And I hope this video is helpful. Also, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.